Hey man, I'm Jusko from ProudMoney.com. A little credit card news today. Ally Bank getting out of the credit card business again, selling its portfolio of 1.3 million credit card holders to CardWorks, which is the parent company of Merrick Bank. Now this is actually a little ironic, or at least who the buyer is a little ironic, because back in 2020 it was Ally Bank that was going to buy CardWorks and Merrick Bank, but that deal put together right before COVID hit, and then once COVID did hit, kind of fell apart because it was hard to see what was going to happen to the credit card industry going forward. But Ally still did want into the credit card business, even though they'd been in it before and gotten out of it before. So at the end of 2021, they ended up buying a different company called Fair Share Financial, which was the parent company of the Allo credit cards, which targeted new to credit, kind of fair credit, bad credit customers, all those sort of near prime customers. Ally then put their name on those cards, and today they offer 3 different credit cards, but they remain invitation only, and Ally Bank never opened up their credit cards to a wider audience. You could never just go and apply. They would invite you to apply, and it looks like they invited a lot of the wrong people, because what has been happening with Ally is they basically have not been getting good results out of their credit card business, and they kind of saw it as dragging down the other parts of their business, and so they decided to give it the heave-ho, selling it to CardWorks and Merrick Bank, which has much more experience in the sort of bad credit near prime space, something that Ally obviously was not doing that great a job at. So really this news not that big of a deal, but for some of us who pay attention to the credit card industry, there's maybe some hope that when Ally bought the Allo platform, that they weren't going to just keep it at sort of the low level in terms of numbers of card holders and all that sort of thing, and that maybe once they had rebranded, they were going to expand from there, maybe actually compete with some of the bigger banks and have some more interesting options out on the market. Like I said, they never got past invitation only, and when you look at the numbers of cardholders, 1.3 million, that might sound like a lot, but it really is a pimple on the behinds of the big banks and even the small banks out there. When you look at the big banks in the credit card industry, we're talking 50 million, 100 million, and 100 million plus in terms of their number of cardholders. Even smaller operations like USAA, Navy Federal, PNC, and FNBO, they're all between like 6 and 8 million card holders. So the 1.3 that Ally has right now, even after 3 years of trying to expand the business, at least somewhat trying to expand the business, really pretty small. And so Ally never really got things going, and now they're giving up.